Things change. Cancers melt. Your voice is captured in the realms of absolute influence and change. There is nothing the power of God cannot change. There is nothing impossible before the power of God. The power of God can change black into blue. The power of God can erase every cancerous cells in your bloodstreams. So where there is power, anything can happen. And that's why God did not make his power so cheaply available as some preachers preach from the pulpit. You need power to bring change in your life, power to cast out devils, power to resist the devil, power to resist ancestral curses, power to overcome witchcraft, power to reign, power to rule, power to advance the kingdom of God in your community, power to do